Hi guys, good morning. We're back with another recipe. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make Thai chicken basil. Ang mga ingredients natin, ang mga sumusunod, we have some ground chicken here. You could use ground turkey as well. This is my twist to the dish. I'm adding eggplants. I also have about a tablespoon of brown sugar. I have 2 minced garlic. I have half an onion, 3 Thai chilies, and then I also have this Thai basil. This is important that you use Thai basil, and this is how it looks like. So Thai basil has a sturdy leaves and purple stem like this, and it has a spicy licorice flavor. Compared dun sa ating normal na nakikita na Italian basil na delicate yung leaves niya, and it has a peppery sweet taste. So this is important, but if you really can't find Thai basil, just go for the Italian basil and then just add a little more, okay? So we also have here fish sauce and oyster sauce. Yun lang. Let's go guys, and let's get cooking. Okay, first things first, mag-add tayo ng konting oil sa ating pan na ininit. And then, I am gonna add our onions. So, we'll let this cook for about 5 to 7 minutes to develop some color and flavor. And at the same time, I'm just gonna add half of our chili, Thai chili, para maanghang na siya habang niluluto natin. Okay, so after about 5 minutes, makita nyo nag-caramelize na yung ating onion, we can add our garlic. We'll let it cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then add na natin yung ating ground chicken or ground turkey. Pwede na natin i-add yung ating meat. Okay. Let's just mix them well. At the same time, sama na rin natin yung ating natitirang red chili. Kung gusto nyo mas maanghang pa dito, you could add more Thai chilies, but I think 3 is good for me. So we'll just continue mixing this until it's fully cooked. Siguro mga 5 minutes. So nakikita natin that it's getting there. Mag-cook na siya thoroughly in a few more minutes. Mag-wait pa tayo ng mga 2 to 3 minutes, and then we can add in our eggplant. So, while I'm cooking my chicken, I'm gonna flavor it with a little splash of fish sauce, or if you don't have fish sauce, you could add salt. And just continue cooking and mixing. We can add our twist to the dish, ang aking eggplant. So we'll mix it well. We'll add more of the fish sauce. And I'm gonna add a little oyster sauce. And a tablespoon of our brown sugar. So we'll mix this very well hanggang sa mag-incorporate yung flavor. This is smelling so good, guys. So, I'm gonna make a side dish of pickled cucumber with this as well. And ang ating quinoa rice. So, this will be a good dinner for the family tonight. So, I'm just gonna continue mixing this. And then, I'll show you the next step. So, after about 5 to 7 minutes, fully cooked na yung ating chicken and our eggplants are softer. The final touch is just adding all our Thai basil into the dish. And then, we are gonna mix it very well for the last time. So, there you go, guys. Nakita nyo naman how easy it was to make my version of Thai chicken basil. I hope you give this a try and please let me know what you think. Thank you for watching.